So this is Wednesday, July 2nd. So we spent the day in Ljubljana, Slovenia. Here is a look at the Ljubljana River, because you know I love rivers. All right, first we are looking at St. Nicholas Church. It consists of two belfries, which you just saw, and a stunning green dome. It was originally a Romanesque church, which was destroyed by fire, and then was rebuilt in the Gothic style, which was twice destroyed by fire. And now we have this Baroque style church, which was constructed in 1706. Its construction took place over 200 years after its Gothic version was arsoned by the invading Ottoman Turks. Unfortunately, we could not get inside. It was locked up that day. Ljubljana is known for its many bridges. We will save the most important bridge for last and later in this video. But this one bridge here was particularly scary because you could see through it. Moving on to Prešernov Square, which hosts the Franciscan Church of the Annunciation, which was also not open on this particular day, which was disappointing. This church, originally painted in red, symbolizing the Franciscan monastic order, is now pink and stands on Prešernov Square. It was constructed in the Baroque style between 1646 and 1660, although the bell towers were added nearly 100 years later. The frescoes on the ceiling were redone in the 1930s due to the 1895 earthquake, which damaged the originals. And of course, we didn't get to see those because the church wasn't open. Here is a look from a much higher vantage point. We were up at the castle when we took that video. A short distance from the Franciscan church is the Ljubljana Town Hall, which was originally constructed in 1484 in the Gothic style. The Ljubljana Town Hall was renovated in the Baroque style in the early 1700s. Next, we are going to head up one of the many trails to the Ljubljana Castle, which also has a funicular if you would rather ride that. The Ljubljana Castle began as a wooden medieval fortress, most likely constructed in the 11th century. That structure was replaced in the 12th century. In the 1300s, the region came under the control of the Austrian Habsburgs, and during their dominion, the castle as we know it today began emerging. Most of the buildings we see today were constructed between the 15th and 17th centuries. In the mid-1600s, the castle no longer was used as an imperial residence and served in several roles, including military barracks and a hospital during Napoleon's occupation. During the 1800s, it was a prison for inmates serving hard time. During World War I, the Austrians used it for political prisoners, and during World War II, the Axis powers, Italy and Germany, used it as a prison as well. The castle has never been invaded and has withstood several notable earthquakes. Inside the complex is the Chapel of St. George. It was reconstructed in its Baroque style, and the funicular was added in 2006. Each load can hold up to 33 people and is just under $4 to ride. And now for the most famous bridge, the Dragon Bridge, which was constructed between 1900 and 1901 during the reign of the Austrian Emperor Franz Joseph I. It has 4 dragons, hence its name, paying homage to the legend of the founding of Ljubljana. This myth claims that Jason and the Argonauts slayed a dragon in the area on which the Slovenian capital came to be. And in case you're wondering, we got to Ljubljana via bus. We took a Flixbus. Make sure you bring your passports. Italy did stop our bus and check everybody's passports when we re-entered Italy. And yes, this is a milk dispenser.